haven't been able to finish any of our outdoor DIY projects because we've been getting so much rain in Southern California, so I've shifted my attention to some more indoor projects. We've been living in our fixer-upper for the last year and a half, and we still don't have closet doors on any of the bedroom closets. We've made a few attempts in the past on getting doors on there, but to be perfectly honest, I've goofed on a couple of times and ordered the wrong ones. So we finally got the correct closet doors installed, and now we can focus some attention on sprucing up our master bedroom. I plan on painting the closet doors and matching that color onto the ceiling. I also want to install box trim molding on all of the walls, install a new light fixture, and then finish decorating this space because it's a little plain and boring. I definitely want to get a storage trunk for the foot of the bed to store all of my throw pillows. Also, don't mind all my clothes. I'm doing laundry and I still need to fold everything. There's also some random stuff happening on the other side of our room that I don't know what we're doing with. Again, it's messy. It's just not a vibe. So here is my mock-up on how I envision the space to be, and I'm going to get started with painting the closet doors and the ceiling today. So like and follow for the next part.